Kolpack flooring. So it looks like they like the Reclame tawny oak, malted tawny oak. All right. This is Cortec Plus. This is a 3/8 inch. That Reclame is 1/2 inch. We have about a little less than a finger. We probably have about 1/4 inch to 3/8 space at the most, so we should be fine if they want to add in floor heat. Now, the trim around everything, it's gonna be tough because it's gonna be tough. So we gotta take out this floor. It's a 2-part molding. If you look in here, I think there's a light. We gotta work around all this, and then take it out all the way. So there's the trim. It's 2-part white painted, so if you get the paint, there's some stuff that we gotta move. And see this right here? I think that's the reducer turned on inside, the smaller one. And that could probably still work. And then that's a T-mold right there. So this is per the insurance quote. That's a reducer. So we have a lot of trim reset. This is gonna take a while. Oh, holy moly. So, and I'll have to study the quote again. But they had a water leak. Basically, it's take out the floor, dehumidify, and apply antimicrobial. Take it out, detach reset of cabinets, and lower base units. So we gotta do a lot of detach and reset too. We gotta detach reset these cabinets, is what they said. I don't think we have to. I'll call the adjuster and see why we would have to detach reset, because that would be, holy moly. There's the microwave right there. We're leaving the flooring on the steps. I'm gonna see, gosh. Okay, I'm gonna see the detach reset of the cabinets. It's not that many, but it's countertop and it's the end panels and how they'd survive. It's maple natural with the shaker 2 1/4, but still.